Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know who I am Taylor Sama, and for those who do know who I am, hey bestie, welcome back. Before I get to the video, make sure you like, comment, definitely subscribe, and hit that post notification bell down below so you know when I upload a video. And make sure you follow all my social media platforms so you can connect with me and catch up with me outside of YouTube. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video.
Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning, running away to the land of discovery.
Alright y'all, so this is going to be a maintenance vlog for back to school. So right now I'm finna go get my hair and stuff from the hair store, and then I hit y'all back. So I'm in the hair store right now and I'm looking at bundles. Is my camera okay? That's better. I'm looking at bundles. I think, I'm not even gonna lie, these are expensive as heck. Little flare. Hold on. Hey y'all, so I don't know where I'm at in this video. I'm not even gonna lie, it's like so much going on. Like I'm trying to get like 3 videos out and edit it, but I'm finna go drop off my closure to my hairstylist right now. She about 20 minutes 40 minutes out, around about that. So I'm gonna go drop off my closure because she said like between 1 or 2 days before the appointment, and my appointment is on Thursday. Today's Tuesday. Excuse me. So I'm finna just wash my face, brush my teeth, freshen up, look a little bit decent, and then I'm gonna go drop off my clothes to her. Not clothes, my closure to her, and then I'm gonna come back to the house because I don't think I got anything else to do. So I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Hey y'all, so this is a little, I guess, update in the maintenance vlog. Today is Wednesday and my hair appointment is tomorrow. So since it's tomorrow, I gotta wash and blow dry my hair today. So that's what I'm finna to do. I'm looking at a bit crusty. So I'm gonna get up, wash my hair or whatever, blow dry it and stuff. I gotta see if I got some shampoo because I don't think I have any shampoo, but we're gonna see about that. But yeah, so I gotta wash my hair today. My appointment's tomorrow. I'm trying to book an appointment with my friend on Saturday, but I gotta ask my mom, and then I gotta see if her booking is still open for that day because I think she just posted something and I think somebody took it, so which is my fault because I should have been asked my mom, but she been busy and I've been busy, so it's been a little hectic lately. But I might just go to the nail shop and get like my nails did by the nail shop because that's what I was gonna do originally. But my friend prices right now is like looking real good for a design and stuff like that. Because, you know, if you go to the nail shop, they're going to charge you a arm and a leg. It's either I go to the nail shop or I do my own nails. And what I'm not going to do is do my own nails because I don't feel like it because it's going to take time. And I want to record a video for y'all. So, yeah, let me get up. I just been like this, just slump. I mean, not slump, but I just been right here chilling on TikTok or whatever. I have not ate yet. I do want to make me some breakfast or whatever, but that's not important because this video is a maintenance vlog, not a regular vlog. So if I get up, wash my hair, and I'll see y'all after I wash my hair.
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in been a throw up the sex in the and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been a throw up the.
Good morning, guys. It's the day for my appointment. It is currently 9:26. My appointment's at 11:30. I'm trying to figure out if my outfit is cute because like I don't know, like I changed it because I really want to wear these leggings, and these leggings are cute. I bought them for my back to school haul. If you ain't watched it yet, watch it after this. But these gray leggings I bought, and shoot, the shirt too, and I put the leggings with something else, but I'm like, that don't go, so I changed the shirt. And I think this is kind of cute if I could find me some like shoes in my closet to put on with it, because I did just get my Jubilees, but I don't think I'm gonna wear that today. And then I do have some Yeezys 700s. Okay, y'all, so this is the fit for today. I don't know if the camera look weird because I got it in 0.5, but this is the fit. I don't know if it's cute or not. And then this is the bodysuit, and tell me why the bodysuit ain't strapping. Why it's not strapping, I don't know, but it's tight enough to where it's cool. But I don't know how I feel. You think it eats? Please let me know if it eats. All right, so I'm in the car finna get ready to leave. My appointment's at 11:30 and it's 10:50, and my stuff is like, why you finna leave right now? Because I like being on time. Like nowadays, the appointments, you cannot be late. Like even if they do have a grace period, okay, but if they don't, baby, you better get your butt there like early. So I'm getting there early. So we finna head out. My mom is going to take me, so I hit y'all when we on the road.
I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you.
Alright, y'all, so my hair is done. She did her job on this. Like, quit playing with your girl. Like, senior year, I told y'all I was gonna eat down. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna eat down. Like, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm taking pictures when I get home and probably posting them on the gram, so y'all go check in, go like them. But next I just gotta do my nails, get my nails did, and then I'm gonna do my own lashes. So yeah, I'll see y'all next clip. All right, y'all, so my lashes came in, so when I get back home I'm gonna do my lashes. I was gonna do them closer to school. I don't know, I might not, I don't know, I'm still thinking about it, because if I do them closer to school it's gonna be fresher, and if I do them now then it's not gonna be fresh, but then at the same time I could just redo them if I want to. So yeah, I'm gonna film that when I get back home. Okay, y'all, so I'm finna do my lashes. As you seen in the last clip, my lashes did came in. I don't remember ordering two, but I'm glad I ordered two, because normally I be doing my lashes a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna be using these in another pack I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. I'm gonna get up and get it. So I'm gonna be using these two, and then the glues that I use, B and Q lash glue, and then Volux glue. Don't mind how this look, because the glue, I don't know what was going on with it. And then I'm gonna be using these two tweezers, and then on my TikTok, on my For You page, like yesterday or 2 days ago, this girl posted lash maps for like different sets, and I'm going for the wispy volume, so I wrote down her lash map and I'm gonna do it. And yeah, because my lashes always come out, I go for a certain look. I normally go for like small to big, and then I like them very volume and fluffy and stuff like that. So yeah, I am pretty tired. I got my hair did. They called me in for work, and I was like, yeah, no, I can't go in. I'm sorry, I can't, because I'm tired. I just got done getting my hair did. You think I'm gonna go to work on my day off? I gotta go to work tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm sorry. I'm not finna. I got things to do. I'm gonna quit talking. I'm gonna put you guys a time lapse. I hope you enjoyed the music, and I'll catch you guys at the end of my lashes. Oh, I gotta show y'all my other pack. So hold on. Alright, y'all, so this is the other pack. As you see, I went through this. I only did my lashes probably 3-4 times, and this is already gone. So that's why I made a smart decision and got me 2 of these. These are by a different brand, as you can see. I don't know what this brand is, but if y'all do want the link to them, this is the only thing I will be putting in my bio, because everything else shouldn't be a link, because I'm getting my hair did, get my nails did, But I will link these down in my bio, or if somebody commented and said they want these lashes, I will link it down in the comment. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. I want to move you guys down, but it's like I don't think they did anything. And I'm gonna be using this mirror right here, so if you catch me doing this or looking down, it's because I'm using the mirror. So let's go ahead and get to it.
Bitch ain't talking about he put it on, screw, run out, screw, screws.
Oh, okay, son.
Run out, screw to a penthouse, screw to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to the beat. They don't want it. I beat these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No cure for the IG disease. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
Okay, y'all, so I am done with my lashes. Ate them up. This side is better than this side. I don't know if you can tell, but I can tell because I did them. So yeah, I think I'm finna paint my toes. I don't know if I want to record that. Hey, speaking of recording, this have nothing to do with what I'm finna say, y'all. I guess I just hold this as the phone and want the proper whoop. If y'all ever want some bundles, but you don't want to pay that much and you ain't go to the hair store, but you don't want the cheap hair store hair, go to the hair store and get pink lemon, because my aunt recommended it to me because she found it through TikTok. And so I looked on it on TikTok and people was giving some good reviews. So I had got it. So I'm getting my hair done and the lady was like, oh my god, this is pink lemon, da 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 da. I've been wanting to try this. She's like, it's like real good. It's like real bundles. Y'all, why I've been touching my hair all day? Because this is just too soft. It is so soft. So if y'all want some bundles, y'all better go get y'all one of these. And I got the 16, 18, 20. And the length is really true. Because my cousin was like, why your hair look long? Because it's 20 inches. But normally when I get 20 inches, it just be stopping to right. Like last time when I had got a sew-in, it had stopped to right here. This 20 inches dang near touching my butt. So, and that's where it's supposed to be at, because I'm short-ish, I guess you want to say. So it should be touching my butt or midway back or lower back. So I'm gonna do my toes. I guess I don't know if I want to put a nail on them, because on my big toe, because I know I'm gonna be wearing shoes, and right now it's like it's not the real time for girly stuff. Or I could do polygel. So I'll tell you guys whenever I decide.
Open your eye, bitch, you see all this money. Made that little bit, tape a brick to her stomach. You not the game, we don't kick it up, planet. Jip out the Raven, I read the Titanic. Look at the numbers, mechanics ain't frontin'. I came from the lit with the gel, I got punished. Ooh, pulling the phone for the Kruger. Wow, my niggas turn back recruiters. I came from trapping. I used to have the dope stashed in the cabinet. Mama couldn't tell me shit, what was my daddy? Look at my paddock, I'm flexing, I'm petty. I put the pussy the first time I met it. Won't give you no credit, you ate it, spaghetti. I cut the brick with machete. Married the money, the bitch wasn't ready. Play with that pussy like peekaboo, 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 Play with that money like peekaboo, Play with these bitches like peekaboo, Broke ass bitch ass nigga, I'm not finna play with you. That's what these rappers do. Peekaboo, 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 big, peekaboo, 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 big, peekaboo, 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 big, peekaboo, 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 bigger. I'm not finna play with you. That's what these rappers do. Great, drop top out in 2013.
Okay, y'all, so my nails is dead. I just got white nails because stuff didn't go as planned, and yeah, so I just got white nails. But I'm not even gonna lie, I should have just did my own nails, but I was lazy. So because I normally don't get basic nails, so this got to grow on me. Like the last time I got basic nails was, let me think, the beginning of junior year last year. So I don't really get basic nails because ever since I started doing my own nails, I started doing designs and like designing my nails how I want them to do. But my stuff didn't go as planned. I didn't get to do the design I wanted to, so I just did basic white nails. So yeah, I think this might be the end of the vlog. I don't know, we'll see. My grandma finna pick me up right now, so yeah, I'll catch y'all later.